everyone. In this ALM Ayush, I'm just going to discuss about what is naturopathy and what are all the treatment modalities have been offered in naturopathy. Initially, we all have a doubt about what is naturopathy and what it is. Either it is Siddha or Ayurveda or whether it is some other herbal treatment. Actually, naturopathy is a art of science which has been come from our ancient system of medicine, and it deals with this 5 element theory. The 5 element or nothing but which has been comprised by our universe like fire, water, air, ether and space. Do you all imagine that these all 5 elements are also inside our human body? For instance, our body is 70% is made up of water that is filled with blood, and the air which we take in and out, oxygen and carbon dioxide, and the entire human body is the earth. We have north pole and south pole, and our human body act like a magnet, and we all have all the orifices which act as the akash or space. And the fire energy is the way which we get from the appetite, the thirst and all things. So according to the naturopathy science, if there is any imbalance of this 5 energy levels, then it will lead to a disease, or it should not be either high or it should not be either low. It should be in a equal balance, then our optimum health will be gained. In naturopathy, we have to be highlighted with 3 important principles. We all know that the entire system of medicine is to save us, is to prevent us from all type of diseases. But in naturopathy, it treats the whole person. It will not treat the particular disease. If at all a patient is suffering from diabetes or hypertension, it won't treat diabetes alone. It won't concentrate on liver and pancreas alone. It will enhance your entire human body. It will develop your entire immune system, and it will promote and prevent all the aspects in all dimensions. So it will treat the person as a whole. The second important principle is it treats the root cause and it will not treat the symptoms. All we are practicing, all we are taking the treatments only for the symptoms, but we are not treating the root cause. Why I am suffering from constipation? Why am I suffering from migraine? We are getting the symptomatic treatments like to prevent the headache. Okay, if I pass my motion, then I get cured of my disease. Certainly not. We should take care of the root cause. We should find out the root cause, why we are getting constipated, why we are suffering from these diseases. Then there comes the naturopathy role. So it will find out which energy is imbalancing, which energy is very high or low, and it will help you in all the modalities which I will tell you in the upcoming thing. So that way it will find out the root cause and it will treat. The third important criteria is suppression of acute diseases will lead to chronic diseases. For example, if you are suppressing a mild cold, if you are often suffering from common cold and cough, and if you are suppressing with some medications or some other therapies, once you start suppressing, the one day it will be blasting like a chronic ailments like severe sinusitis. We need to go for a surgery, or it may be like a severe migraine, or even it may be tend to a lifestyle disorder. So 3 things we have to be very clear in naturopathy. One is we should get the treatment for the whole body. We should not go for any symptomatic treatment. We should find out the root cause. And the third thing is suppressing the acute illness which will lead to the chronic disease. What are all the treatment we have been following in naturopathy is, it is a drugless system. It won't have any drugs. Food is the medicine in naturopathy. So according to this ancient system, food has been classified into 3 types: Sattvic, Rajasic and Tamasic. So we are 80% of us are following the Tamasic and Rajasic food. That is overly spiced, processed and all this condiments, preserved foods. So these are all comes under Rajasic and Tamasic food. And many people have been under Tamasic foods, which are all like fermented foods. Now we have to follow the Sattvic foods. Sattvic food, it's not nothing special. It's just raw vegetables and fruits, juices, salads, porridge, soups, all the liquid based diets, it's all comprised of this Sattvic diet. So if we follow the Sattvic diet, our body will get detox, and naturopathy will plays an important role that body will heal by itself. So it will accelerate your healing powers. In naturopathy, I told you it follows the 5 principles, 5 elements. In that, first therapy will be your hydrotherapy, which we deal with water. So we can use water as a treatment like bath, wrap, packs and all. For example, hot foot bath or immersion bath. Even in baths, we have different types of ailments can be treated. Next comes mud therapy, applying the medicated mud directly on your skin or as a pack. It will remove all your toxins, it will remove all your inflammations. Mud therapy plays a major role in varicose vein and all bone and muscle disorders. Third comes massage. Massage is not like a spa massage. It is a therapeutic massage. In naturopathy, we follow Swedish massage, which is we follow towards the heart direction. Wherever the blood is towards the heart. So for legs, it is the massage has to be started from down to up. For hands, it is from down to up. So likewise, the massage therapy will be planned, and the main beauty of naturopathic massage is the doctors will come into role and they will practice this massage on the patient's body. Then comes acupuncture and acupressure, which also balance our 5-element therapy. Chromotherapy, that is nothing but color therapy. Magnetotherapy, which we deals with the magnets. Reflexology and barefoot walking, sun bath, air bath. So what are all the natural modalities we have? That and all has been used as a treatment methodology. So I think I have narrated what is clearly about what is naturopathy and the treatment modalities. I will catch you soon with other important medical facts. Please watch our ALM Ayush videos. Thank you.